How's it going, guys? Alex here with Break Free Technologies, and I'm here today to show you a quick video on how to remove your helmet mount from your helmet. It's a fairly common question that we're getting, whether you're trying to just take it off because you're done using that helmet, or you mounted it incorrectly or crookedly and then you want to do it again. For whatever reason, I wanted to give you a quick video to show you how to remove the helmet mount from your helmet. So, in order to remove the helmet mount's on there nice and strong. It's not really going to come off with just strength. You don't want to use anything sharp. You don't want to use a heat gun because you'll damage the helmet in all of those situations. So, what do? So here are the tools you'll need. Good old floss. One thing to note about the floss is it needs to be smooth, non-abrasive, so that way you don't scratch up the helmet when you're using it. And the other thing you need is just a regular old hair dryer. This is my wife's hair dryer. Thanks to my wife for letting me borrow that. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat up the adhesive on the mount for about 20-30 seconds or so, and then just test and see if we can move the mount a little bit and repeat it as necessary, and then move on to floss. So here we go. This might be obvious, but I should note that it needs to be on high and on hot. I earlier did it on accident on warm, and it doesn't work quite as well. So now I'm just going to try and move the mount, just kind of move it from side to side like this to see if I can loosen up the adhesive a little bit. So as you can see, it's getting looser now. You could kind of move the mount a little bit on the adhesive so you can see it's working. I'm going to just go ahead and repeat the hair dryer step for another 15 or so seconds, and then we'll move on to the floss. Alright, on to the floss. I'm just going to hold my helmet like this, grab some floss. The idea with the floss is what you want to do is you want to try and get under one of the corners, get some leverage with your fingers, and then just slowly peel, twist, and pull on the mount until it comes off. And then after that, you should be able to remove it from the helmet without any issues. So here we go. I'm going to do this corner right here because that's the easiest one for me. I'm just going to get the floss just under the adhesive if I can. Looks like it's going in there now. I'm just working it underneath the adhesive, just sliding it back and forth with applying downward pressure. I got about ½ an inch underneath the adhesive. I should be able to get my fingers just under the adhesive and then start to pull it off. As you can see now, it's coming off. The adhesive is separating from the helmet. The adhesive could pop off the mount side or the helmet side. Either way, you can get the adhesive pad off pretty easily here. So I'm just kind of working my fingers under there still. And now the adhesive is coming right off. And there you have it, folks. The mount's removed. And the helmet is completely safe. There's no issues, no damage, nothing like that. No scratches. Do have some fingerprints because the matte finish is a fingerprint magnet, but no damage to the helmet surface, no problems whatsoever. So that is how you remove a break-free mount from a helmet. Thanks.